at Level Up Signing Day 2021. Hosted by 9PBS's Regional Youth Employment Coalition, students engaged in interactive sessions to learn about high-demand, skilled career pathways in advanced manufacturing, construction trades, healthcare, and information technology. Attendees celebrated students as they declared their plans to enter these high-demand, skilled career pathways.
I'm Mark Majeski. I'm in South Tech right now, part of the carpentry program.
My name is Jaila Moore, and I am going to school to be a trauma surgeon.
So I am Jennifer Irvin. I'm with BJC Healthcare. I'm out of the department BJC School Outreach and Youth Development. Something resonated with Jaila in that presentation, and she has consistently followed up.
Right now, I will be going to school to Maryville, and then the PCT program, which is Patient Care Technician.
Right now, I'm focused on becoming a mechanical engineer. I didn't expect it to be fun at all, but when I got in there, every part of it was fun.
Hi, I'm Ryan Gross, and I enrolled in the Boeing pre-employment program to hopefully become a sheet metal worker and assembly worker of Boeing aircraft.
These are great opportunities to think outside the box, to not think that a four-year university is the only option.
Watch the conference recordings and find digital career exploration resources at 9pbs.org/levelup.